name is Prestissima, and I'm here to teach you how to play the piano for free. I use the piano method book called Presto, It's Piano Magic. You could follow along with me in the book to learn to play the piano, or without the book, however you like. When you're ready to get started, go ahead and click on piano lesson number 1 and you will be on your way. Presto, It's Piano Magic is an all-inclusive, holistic approach to learning how to play the piano. Presto, It's Piano Magic introduces superior sequencing of lessons, scaffolding of instruction, and useful strategies for teaching all types of learners. This piano method furthers the development of technical facility while learning to read music. Efforts to learn to read music will not hinder a student's ability to play music on the piano. Presto, It's Piano Magic includes lessons, technique, theory and musicianship, practice worksheets, and performance repertoire all in one book. This method embarks upon ear training, sight singing, including solfege and Kodály approaches, and rhythmic understanding, and opens the door early for student development in transposing, improvising, and composing music. For those seeking materials that promote greater social justice and equity, this method series subtly strives to be more culturally authentic and diverse, to express fewer racial and gender stereotypes, to honor and acknowledge the contributions of more women and ethnic composers and songwriters, and to help all students find historical significance and feel welcome in the world of piano and keyboard music education and performance. For those of you who are following along with us in the book, when you complete the whole book, you earn a prize. I'm super excited to teach you all how to play piano. So go ahead and click on lesson number 1 and let's get started. Prestissima out.